What up guys and girls? In this video I will be showing you how to replace the Earpads on a Sennheiser headset. You can find the link in the description where to buy these. And you can see my Sennheiser here that is desperately in need of new Earpads. And this is step 1. Just pull off the Earpads. Now that was tremendously hard to do, oh my god. Phew. And now you might want to clean the headset a little bit before popping on the new ones. Now we grab the new ones and head over to step 2. We will try to click the new Earpads in the frame. Just push and then just press.
Satisfaction.
And now your headset is good as new.